Viewers, I'm sitting with Salman Arif from Mortgage Alliance. One of the difficulties I myself is facing on day-to-day basis when I'm getting calls and these clients or say future purchasers, they want to invest in real estate, but they don't have funds, or they may have a very limited funds. Say in the pre-construction bookings, either it's a new homes or it's a new condominiums. Say if we are looking for $50,000, $60,000, they may have only $20,000, $25,000, $30,000. Where we can get more money for them, then they would be able to invest in real estate pre-construction. Let's speak to Salman. He may have something for you guys. Salman, how are you?
I'm good, Zia. How are you?
Not bad. Pre-construction world.
Right.
Pre-construction bookings, right? Deposits. High-rise deposits are quite high, low-rise deposits are a little bit lower, but end of the day, there is a limitation. Or there's a lot of people, they even don't know the philosophy and the definition of a pre-construction booking, so how they can leverage themselves to buy their second or third investment property in such a diversified city.
Right.
If they have a very limited budget or deposit and they need more money, what should they do?
They always have the funds available, but they don't know or they don't have any idea where the funds are.
Yes.
Basically. If they do see their owner-occupied property where they are living in for last 4, 5, 6 years, some people are living there for last 10 years. And if they see the mortgage balance and the property value, they have big chunk of equity in the property, which they can use. Now the situation is they are not using that equity from their own property because they're thinking that we want to get the mortgage free one day. And guess what? If they have a 30 years amortization, 30 years, or they have 25 years amortization, they're seeing themselves mortgage free in 30 years or 25 years. So let's say they purchase a property at the age of 30, for example.
Yes.
So after 30 years, they are seeing themselves mortgage free at the age of 60. Now, smart people, I have seen so many people, I have seen so many clients have mortgage free, right? And I'm seeing them, they have the property for less than 10 years, some people. Now, how do they get mortgage free in such a short period of time? When I asked them, because I was new one day in this industry as well, right? Now we have experience, and so they say we take the money out of our equity and put in real estate, and then sell it, and then get the profit, and then put back in our equity. So that's how, for me, based on this all scenario, anybody who's buying a property, let's say in today's day, they should get mortgage free within the next 10 years. Right?
Okay.
Using their own equity, buying real estate, then selling, then investment, then selling, and then put it. Right? They have a fear that they, if they take the money out of their property, maybe it's a more burden on themselves. Maybe there is a more liability, but in actually, you're making the liability less than whatever you have. And we have discussed this this topic in the past episodes as well. They don't have to, basically, they don't have to refinance their house in order to get the property. There are multiple ways, including refinancing. There are multiple ways that they can use and they can get the money out of their equity. All they need to know is see somebody who is well experienced and well reputed in market, and who can guide them properly and what are the options available for them in the market. Right, and use it. And as you know that the real estate market is quite amazing these days, and who would know better than you, Zia, right? Especially pre-constructions, if you're talking about. It's basically you who can tell them and who can guide them that put your money in this project, not to put on that project, basically, because you have a deep eye where you can save them thousands of dollars. And for when it comes to expertise for financing, we are here to help.
Definitely right direction, right, faith into the product and the direction which you have. That's where the key component is. And the credibility builds up when you, guide your clients at the right manner.
That's
now,
right.
Yes, as you see, there is no risk, no game. if you don't leverage yourself,
Right.
you're leveraging yourself in what? Leveraging yourself in a stock, leveraging yourself in other component
Right.
where you lose everything overnight, or leveraging yourself in the world of real estate and real estate investments.
That's right.
That's where one should do. A lot of people has really good goal and dream, or say peace of mind that their house has to be paid off.
That's
but
right.
in order to pay off your property, what would be your saving? 2%, 2.5%, 3% mortgage?
And let me
that's
ask you something, Zia. If you want to build your house, let's say if you want to build custom built house, you will not take a hammer and go there and start building your house. You will hire somebody who is professional enough to help you to do that.
Exactly.
Right? So you're hiring somebody and get the job done, right? Same as they out there, the layman's, the clients, they don't know exactly what's going on in the market, and they should ask you because you're the expert. They should ask us because we are doing it for more than 10 years to do this, right? That how to save money and how to get the job done in proper way.
No, definitely, Salman. Thank you very much. You brought a really important point.
Thank you, Zia.
Viewers, if you need funds for your pre-construction bookings, and it is sitting in some form of equity, in your own equity, Salman is the right person, who can guide you and find you the way that how you can get that particular funds and further leverage it or deposit it towards your second investment. Give him a call. Just have a one-to-one sitting. We'll go on a quick break. Stay with us.